Are you looking for a seamless way to import MSG files into your Office 365 account? Welcome to WholeClear. MSG to Office 365 Converter is a powerful utility designed to help users effortlessly migrate MSG files to the Microsoft Office 365 cloud environment with complete accuracy and data integrity. Key features of the Outlook MSG to Office 365 migration tool. Convert complete MSG files. Ensures that the entire content of each MSG file is migrated. Preserve MSG file attributes. Maintains original metadata, such as to, from, subject, date, and attachments. Bulk file conversion. Supports mass migration of multiple MSG files in one go. Dual migration modes. Allows you to upload either individual files or entire folders for efficient processing. How to open MSG files in Office 365 Step-by-Step Guide. Step 1. Download and install the WholeClear MSG to Office 365 Converter on your system. Step 2. Select the MSG file format as your source. Step 3. Choose between file mode or folder mode to load the MSG files you wish to import. Step 4. On the export screen, select Export to Office 365 account. Step 5. Enter your Office 365 login credentials to proceed. Step 6. Choose an existing folder or create a new folder within your Office 365 account to store the imported files. Step 7. Click on Upload Now to initiate the migration process. Once the migration is successfully completed, your MSG files will be available within your Office 365 account, ready to access and manage. This solution offers a reliable, fast, and user-friendly way to handle MSG to Office 365 migration tasks without any data loss or technical complexities. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.